Generative AI is transforming how lawyers approach legal research and writing, offering tools that can streamline workflows and uncover insights that were previously out of reach. Today, I want to dive into an innovative strategy shared by Carolyn Elephant, a respected voice in the legal community, and explore how you can harness this approach to supercharge your practice. I'll share Carolyn's link in my show notes below. So what got me excited about doing this particular podcast episode was reading Carolyn's recent LinkedIn post about a technique for using generative AI to draft a reply brief. Now, you might already be familiar with the idea of uploading an opponent's response to a platform like Anthropic's Claude or ChatGPT to generate a reply, right? We all get that. But Carolyn suggests a far more strategic method, and this is what grabbed my attention. I think you're going to like it. Instead of just uploading one brief, upload both the initial and responsive briefs and ask the AI to generate a judicial opinion based on what you uploaded. This approach, which Carolyn credited to Adam Unikowski, offers a glimpse into how the court might perceive the arguments, giving you a clearer sense of the strengths and weaknesses of your position. But it doesn't stop there. If the AI-generated opinion suggests a ruling that's not in your favor, you can use the same tool to draft a reply that specifically addresses the weaknesses referenced in the AI response and a new and better reply that bolsters your arguments. The key here is that the AI is not just parroting back information, it's synthesizing the briefs and mimicking the decision-making process of a judge or judicial panel. So why is this important? Well, because understanding how your case might be perceived by the court before you even submit your reply is a game changer. Imagine the edge you gained by knowing in advance how a judge or judicial panel might lean on your arguments. This allows you to proactively address potential pitfalls and emphasize the strongest aspects of your case. It's like having a crystal ball, but one that's grounded in the legal reasoning of actual judges. So how do you put this into action? How do you implement this in your practice? Premised around Carolyn's initial post, I'm going to give you a 7 step-by-step guide. Number 1, gather your documents. Start by collecting the relevant briefs, both your own and your opponent's. If you can, also gather any additional materials that might inform the AI's analysis, such as prior rulings from the judge on similar issues or summaries of the judge's legal philosophy and preferences. If you can, grab those, upload them into your AI bot, and allow the AI to use this information when writing the reply and analyzing the arguments. Number 2, upload and prompt. Use a generative AI platform like we talked about, Claude or ChatGPT, and upload all of your briefs and all of the additional information, and then provide a prompt that asks the AI to generate a judicial opinion. You want to be specific about what you're seeking. Ask it to weigh the arguments, apply the relevant laws, and render a decision. If you have questions about how to craft or draft a proper prompt, I covered 6 steps to doing so in an earlier episode here on the podcast. Number 3, analyze the output. Once you have the AI's opinion, review it critically. Look for areas where the AI's reasoning aligns with or diverges from your own expectations. If the AI's ruling is favorable, then great. You can use this insight to reinforce your position. If it's not, don't panic. This is your opportunity to refine your arguments. Step number 4, draft your reply. Based upon the AI's analysis, prompt the AI again to draft a reply brief that directly addresses the issues flagged in the hypothetical ruling. Pay special attention to areas where the AI indicated potential weaknesses or overlooked points that you believe are crucial. Step number 5, refine and personalize. Remember, AI is a tool, not a replacement for your expertise. Review the AI-generated reply carefully. Tailor the language, tone, and content to fit the specific nuances of your case and personality of the judge or judges. This is where you can really make your argument sing. Step number 6, follow up with additional prompts. Don't hesitate to ask the AI follow-up questions on specific issues or arguments. You might uncover additional insights or angles that strengthen your case even further. The last step is step number 7, final review. Before filing, ensure that everything aligns with your legal strategy. The AI's role is to assist, but your judgment is what will ultimately carry the day. By incorporating this method into your practice, you're not just staying ahead of the curve, you're actually reshaping the landscape of legal research and writing. If you like this technique, if you like this approach to using AI, I encourage you to please join our podcast community, subscribe, share, like, and even comment. We love comments. We love engaging with comments on all the different platforms, and stay in touch. We're going to be dropping new episodes each week, and we've already got some really great episodes in the can ready for you to listen to right now. All right, that's it. Enjoy the AI journey and never stop making each day your masterpiece.